There are 3 cars sitting on used car lots right now that salespeople literally cannot give away. Meanwhile, every mechanic I know is quietly buying them for their own families. These aren't project cars or good-for-the-price compromises. I'm talking about 300,000-mile machines that sell for 50% less than they should for one stupid reason. Nobody knows they exist. After 22 years of turning wrenches, I'm tired of watching people overpay for Camrys and Accords, while these 3 gold mines sit gathering dust. Today, I'm giving you the Mechanic's Manifesto. Toyota-level reliability at Kia-level prices. Stick around for number 1, because it's the only car I've recommended for 5 years straight without a single customer coming back with a repair. Not one. 3. The Buick Regal, 2014 to 2017. The German sleeper. Most people under 50 won't touch a Buick. That's your biggest financial advantage. The secret. This isn't an old man's boat. It's built on GM's German-engineered Epsilon 2 platform. It's an Opel insignia with an American badge. The specs. It uses the LTG 2.0-litre turbo, Award's 10 Best Engine winner, and a bulletproof 6-speed automatic from Aisin, the same company that supplies Toyota. The math. A 2015 BMW 328i costs $16,000 and needs $4,000 in repairs every 2 years. A 2015 Regal is $9,000 and the repairs cost pennies. Mechanic's tip: check the PCV valve and the turbo inlet pipe. If those are clean, you've just bought a German luxury sedan for the price of a used moped. 2. The Mazda 6, 2014 to 2021. The invisible long hauler. I actually get disappointed when a Mazda 6 rolls into my shop, because there's never anything to fix. The engineering. Mazda did something genius. They kept it simple. No fragile CVTs, no dual clutch headaches. Just a high-compression Skyactiv engine with a timing chain designed to last the life of the car. The price gap. A 2017 Camry SE with 70,000 miles is roughly $18,000. A 2017 Mazda 6 with the same miles? $12,000. That's a $6,000 Toyota tax. You don't have to pay for a car that handles better and looks sharper. The check. Take it to 45 miles per hour and let off the gas. If it shudders, it's just a $300 motor mount. Negotiate $1,000 off the price and fix it in 20 minutes. 1. The Toyota Avalon, 2013 to 2018. The Lexus in disguise. This is the ultimate cheat code of the car world. Everyone wants a Lexus ES 350, but nobody wants Grandma's car. The truth: the Avalon and the Lexus ES are twins. Same chassis, same assembly line, and the legendary 2GRF EV6 engine, arguably the most reliable 6-cylinder ever built. The Grandma advantage. Look for one owned by a retiree. They are garaged, serviced on the dot, and driven gently. A Grandma spec Avalon with 60,000 miles is essentially a brand new Lexus for $14,000. The value. A 2016 Lexus ES 350 is $23,000. A 2016 Avalon is $15,000. You are paying $8,000 for a badge. Don't be that person.